Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. This week I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about pop-ups. So what are pop-ups? Let's see. Really quickly, I'll show you. I actually have what's called a welcome mat on my website. But basically when you come to my site for the first time, you get to see, and this happens on the blog pages, it happens on the home pages. So no matter where you come to on my site, you get this little welcome mat. So it's this little option where you can get help with WordPress is what I'm looking for, and then it takes you to my WordPress guide here. So they can sign up to my list, get to my opt-in, and learn about all the amazing things that I have for them. So that is an example of one pop-up. You've probably seen them. They're the smaller ones. They come up in the middle, or maybe they slide in over here. Any position that you have them in, again, that's kind of a personal choice based on your own design, but you can do them all with a plugin called Sumo. This is the plugin right here. It's called Sumo Me. You can add it right here in the plugins. You will need to create a free account, but it's very, very easy. They have upgrades, of course, but it's very, very easy to do. You just want to connect your account. And then you can go ahead and click My Apps. And it's going to take you to the Sumo site. So it's going to take you off your website, but it's going to have all your settings in here. And this is where you can add things like announcement bars. You can add, they're always trying to get you to upgrade, and they can add a lot of different things for you. So what you want to look for is forms. So the smart bar, that's the fun thing that you have on the top of your bar of your website. This one right here. Right now I have it going to the quiz for WordPress. If it's the right position for it, the right place to move your website. So you can do that for your opt-in, you can do it for whatever works. I have a couple old ones that I used to use. This is the one I've been using most recently. That's been working really well for me. And let's say I want to go ahead and create a new form. So it's going to ask me what I want to do. So I can collect emails. I can add a call to action. This just has a little button. I can have people share it. I can write my own code on here if I have something that maybe I did in MailChimp or something like that. I can add that. The most common one is the call to action. And then I can decide what type it should be. So it can be a regular pop-up. And again, the scroll box can be an inline form. This can be, stop that. A trigger pop-up, a smart bar, whatever you're looking for. So for right now, we're just going to do a basic pop-up and go through the design. So they have lots of different templates here. If it has the little lockbox, that means that we can't use it because you have to be upgraded. So for today's purpose, I'm going to go ahead and use, oh, this looks like a cute little bear. Use this one right here. I can set the visibility. Smart mode is what I would recommend. That just basically means that Sumo is going to decide whether or not the pop-up should be shown. So if it's someone who's been to your website frequently, they might not show it as much. And then you can work on what happens afterwards. So once someone clicks that URL, where are they going to? So really what we don't want to look at now is the design. So this is where you edit. If you click on the little pieces here, click action redirect to, and I can tell this to go to, let's say, take the quiz. Copy that link in here. Whew. I can edit these here. I can change the colors. I can change the fonts. I can change the bear. I can do a lot of things that I need on here. Now, if you're working with an email service, some of this might need to be connected. Some of this is for upgraded stuff. So you want to look at which one can work for you. Again, if I'm doing the form type with a button, it's not required. So once I have all of this put together, I can just hit publish. And voila, it's taken care of. And that is how to create a pop-up on your website. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. See you soon. Bye.